Okay, so as luck would have it when I'm hunting, my GoPro died and it's in my truck just after I had my snack there. And I'm just walking through this section of forest that has a little connector of boardwalk. And just over at the base of that tree, I heard a little noise and I looked and I thought it was at first a squirrel. And when I lowered my shotgun, I noticed the tail of a grouse. So I took a shot. I'm pretty sure I hit it, but I don't know if it flew off or dropped dead right there. So let's go see if we can't find it. Okay. Shotgun is unsafe. Lay it there. I always hate this part because you get a stick in your eye pretty easily. He was sitting at the base on this downed log. Let's see. Yep, got him. Woohoo! Oh, I'm so sorry for not getting it on video, folks. Beautiful little ruffed grouse. I'll have to show you later. We'll see if it's a male or female, but a pretty little bird. There's lunch for later.